We go shopping in the supermarket. Relax, legend. You good. Okay. Quail eggs. And he likes them. So I'm gonna get them. Me here. Let me see. Yeah, we going shopping. I need to know what I need to like. Me and my dog, like I gotta be in tune with my dog, you know. Like I need to really be in tune with him.
Can I get through?
Oh, sure you can. Sure you can. You can get through.
Excuse me? So you can put the dog inside the car.
I catch seizures.
So, yes. But the people put food that you can roll in the floor.
Oh, I didn't know that. I didn't know that. I can't put him in the car. Oh, okay. All right, I'm gonna get him out.
Oh. Different. You can carry it on the floor, put them inside the car.
Okay. Whatever. I'll get him out.